Need a new AutoCount account book? The copy feature makes the process simple. Watch this video to understand it step by step.
To create new database in AutoCount, you cannot simply create at the login screen. You see the login screen don't have the create new company button over here. You cannot simply create over here. This is because AutoCount want to control. Make sure your staff won't simply go and create one database. Later you key in all the transactions, go into the wrong database. That's why only the authorized person got the password. After login to the first account, first database, we call account book, then only can create second account book. How to create? Go to File, Manage Account Book. Over here can create the second one. Detach is linked to the first computer or second computer. That one is called detach. Detach is drop from the list, and then delete is totally delete this database. This one very dangerous. Don't simply delete. You don't want, you just detach. Okay. Create a new account book, and then just use the AutoCount standard password. Just press next, and then we key in. The chapter 3 we put learning AutoCount tools and number hub, and the database name we change to chapter 3 AD_chapter 3 for the database name. And next, fiscal year start date and actual start date. This one very important, especially before you start using AutoCount. You need to make sure this two date is correct. Okay. Manage fiscal year date is our financial accounting date, when our account start and when accounts end. Actual start date is when you start using AutoCount system. If you start using AutoCount system on 1st April, then you here put 1st April. This one very important. Cannot try not make mistake before you start keying any transaction. And the country is Malaysia. Home currency is RM, IR. And the tax, no SSD, no withholding tax, and then we press next button. Here, use the standard format, and we copy from the first chapter. You can highlight here, the chapter 1. Copy including item code, customer name, supplier names, report format, and so on. And then finish. Double check all the setting, is it correct, right, with my setting. And then after confirm, you press OK. Wait about 1 minute, the system will generate copy all the database from chapter 1 to this chapter 3. You see the account book is created successfully. Then we move forward to task 3. Before we move to task 3.2, we go to general maintenance, company profile. We update our company detail. Okay, but this one is chapter 1, so we log out from chapter 1 first, and then log into chapter 3. How to log in chapter 3? Go to File. Okay, log into new account book. And then you press yes, the system will log out and then log into chapter 3. Okay, chapter 3, log in here, you type password admin. We change the remark here to chapter 3. How to change? Company profile. This policy setting, everything, you just press next, press OK, and I'll just keep it. The one is not important, and we go to general maintenance, company profile. Okay, remark here, we put chapter 3. And also the color, we change to green color. After done, you'll just simply key in any address and the phone number. We redo the logo and report header. One more time. As revision, same as chapter 1. How we do. Same as chapter 1, all this setting, and then logo and report header. Load, and then if you want to change the font, you want to add email address, and you want to upload your logo. That's all. After done, we proceed with task 3.2.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.